Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Sadabahar, also known as ever-blooming blossom, is a well-known flower that has been secured its place both in modern medicine and herbal remedies. Sadabahar, also known as Periwinkle or vinca, is an abundant bloom and is easy to take care of. Is an excellent selection if you have little time to tend your garden. It's useful in many kinds of things, like it's useful in borders, flower beds, rock gardens and containers. The vinca flower provides instant color wherever it grows. Today I'll be telling you everything you will need to take care of this plant. This includes how and when to mulch, when to water our plants, what fertilizer should we give to our plants, does this plant even need any pruning or pinching, what are the insect attacks of these plants, and if there is, what insecticides shall we use? Lastly, I will tell you about all of its medicinal purposes. So let me start telling you the care of this plant. These plants easily grow from seeds or cuttings. If you have purchased any periwinkle plant from nursery, you will be able to see that on the soil more plants will be growing. That's because of its seeds. Otherwise, it's also easy to grow from its cuttings, so you can also do that. Now, what type of soil you should take and when to mulch and how to mulch, I will tell about. Sadabahar plant or periwinkle plant like indirect sunlight. But if your plant is in open terrace, you need mulching in summer also. This mulch will help the plant to keep cool. You can use this kind of paper cutting, or you can also use dry leaves or also dry grass. With all of that, you can cover the upper soil like this. Let me show you an example of the importance of watering. Now I will show you two pots. The pots will be completely same. The soil will be also same, but the two plants growing in it will have different looks. The first one is normal and healthy, but the second one is just dull. It is due to wrong watering system. This is because of waterlogging or overwatering. So you are also facing a problem like this, then I will tell you what to do. First, you have to easily check the drainage system like this. Then all you have to do is aerate the plant. Now all you have to do is take care about the fertilization. Fertilize the plant once a month. Give it equal amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium rich fertilizer. My mom always gives homemade fertilizer. The homemade fertilizer is of course kitchen waste compost. It is very the best and effective. Now at last let me tell you the health benefits of Sadabahar. It helps to control diabetes, controls blood pressure. You can use it in skincare. it regulates menstrual flow. I hope this helped you clear all your doubts, but if you still have any, you can always let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.